What up, tubers? This is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. Creating affiliate websites the easy way. Let this old DOS geek show you how to do it. Okay, got a lot of tips and tricks for you. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you've been having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Go to rwcweb.com, put your best email in the box below. Okay, now I want to show you some things that I do with, my affiliate sites, okay? Now basically, I've actually got my own product and a lot of things, written ebooks and so forth and things like that, okay? I got my YouTube channel going now. I would suggest, even if you don't, I just started this a couple of weeks ago, doing a lot of videos, working real hard. It's a lot of work, okay? But I would suggest that, you sign up to a YouTube channel and get your YouTube channel going. Make it, don't really, like this is one of my channels. I started it, affiliate marketing, back with this soccer stream online a while back, and I couldn't find a good affiliate program for soccer. So now I'm going to do it on YouTube ways, and I'm going to do it a little bit different. Okay. Now what I do, I use these private label rights products. They're fantastic. Okay. So now with my own product, okay. Sorry, I wasn't prepared today. Okay. Now before, what I was doing, this was actually an opt-in page, okay. This was an opt-in page, and what happened was, I built it before I actually made my product, which is something that some of them gurus tell you to do, but it's difficult. It's difficult, okay? You want to make your product first. And I would suggest you work on your own products. Big mistake that I made back in 2015 when I actually started this journey to affiliate marketing. I made the mistake because I listened to all these guys. Oh, use Clickbank. It's so easy to sign up. Anybody and their mother can sign up. They accept you automatically, and that's great. It really is great, So the two mistakes that I made with doing affiliate marketing are not doing my own product. Okay, because even once you have your own product, depending on the niche you're in, of course, there's anything you could do with it. You can revolve like the Clickbank affiliate products around it, okay? So you really either got to build a really good blog with a lot of content and continually add to it, because it takes time. I mean, unless you got a lot of money to invest into marketing, like on Facebook and stuff, you on Facebook, they tell you to put $5 a day and split test it and all this stuff. Well, guess what? The guys with the bank, the guys that got money, they came from other industries, like they're engineers or graphic designers, or, I've even seen lawyers and real estate people go into niche marketing and stuff, okay? But, they got thousands of dollars to invest in it, in marketing and outsourcing it to make, have people build their websites, So, there's a lot of bullshit out there about a lot of things, and it really makes me angry sometimes because I fell victim to it, okay, myself. Even with all my intelligence and all my skills, my problem in the beginning was two things. I didn't create my own product, okay, and also, even though I could do the coding on the websites and everything, I wasn't very creative at all. I had the creativity of a lettuce leaf, And basically what I was doing, I was just going into these Clickbank products and, just like taking their stuff, I was like duplicating what they have. And it was a big mistake, like these ones here, they're great. They got the link generator. You know, it'll generate your hot link and it'll take you to whatever page you want. I would suggest when you see these, go to every one of these pages here and see how they are. See if they're any good. Okay. Now, there's always a lot of information, and if it's a good affiliate section, okay, if they, you know, because they want to see you succeed. It's always great they want to see you succeed, but a lot of them, what happens is they know that most of us have shiny object syndrome, and Lord knows I gotta tie my hands away from my mouse because I got such shiny object syndrome. Okay, and the problem is I want to know everything about everything. That's another problem, you know. So definitely I would suggest you make your own product. I would use the private label rights. I've got the links in the description. You know, if you like and subscribe and hit the notification button on my channel, you know, I'm going to have more and more stuff on the private label rights. Okay, because what I did, I had this up, and you know, I was taking on these students, and you know, I train my students in the real world, and I you know, as far as how to bodybuild. Okay, you know, I've been a bodybuilder most of my life. Did some amateur competing and all, but you know, that's irrelevant here right now. But the thing is, you know, I'm an expert at it, so I can easily write a program that revolves around it. You understand? Now, you don't have to be an expert at something. It could be something. I would definitely suggest something of interest because it's just easier. Okay, because I picked the soccer niche, and I used to play like in grade school, but I wasn't really into it, and I couldn't find a good solid affiliate program because one of the main reasons why I failed at affiliate marketing was because of these affiliate programs crapping out. And yes, even on Clickbank, because on Clickbank, if you search through to Clickbank, okay, and you know, you go low to high on the gravity, all right, and give it a search, okay, that's an ad. All right, there are some really crappy products out here, and I hate to say it like that about the people, because it is very, very difficult to build your own product. Okay, you know, Clickbank Affiliate Center has how to earn instant commissions on Carolyn Hassan's complete Clickbank. Okay, so this looks pretty good, but I could tell you just by looking at it, these are all private label rights. What I call a regurge. Okay, so let's see what we got here. $24, and she was smart doing this, and it probably took a lot of time. All right, or even, you know, if these are her products, okay, she rebranded it and she made it an affiliate site where other people can go and sign up. Okay. And you see what she did here, but this is a good example of how to make a blog. Okay, it's a great example, and you can tell, excuse me, you can tell it looks like an old WordPress site, you know, and the way you spy on your competitors, right click and view source, okay, hit F3 and then just type in, you know, like, alright, so this is a WordPress site, obviously, alright. If you ever see a site loading up really slow that looks fantastic, you know it's Wix. They're dog slow to Wix sites, you know, however beautiful they are. And don't forget also, it doesn't really have to look spectacularly beautiful. Okay, it really doesn't. You know, especially with the iPhones, everybody's signing up on their iPhones. But as you can see, there's always a lot of information. Okay, this is a pop-up, which is cool. In the old days, we always did those kind of pop-ups. They still use them now. Okay, so basically, you know, what this person did was they took a bunch of different other products, okay, revolving around the health and fitness niche. This is very genius the way they did this. Okay, obviously, on Clickbank, they obviously either, you never know with the COVID too, people could have passed away, but they obviously didn't get people to sign up. And then just because they don't have people signing up, it doesn't mean that, there's a great angle what they did actually. Just because they don't have people signing up, it doesn't mean that they didn't make money, because they could just promote their site. Okay, and this is obviously their site, and it's obviously old. Okay, let's see what they got going on. Oh yeah, this is old. Okay, so download your copy. So that's probably going to take me to the sales page. Okay, so they didn't even tell you, and obviously nobody's promoting it. $27, and sometimes that happens too. You overprice it. Because you got to remember, digital products, man, come on. Digital products, you really can't charge that much for it. It's a PDF that you're getting. Now the ones with the videos are a little bit more. So, but you want to make it, of course, you want to make a little, let me check my time here on this video. Of course you want to make it a legit site. Okay. You definitely want to make it a legit site. Can't even see that on this. Need a white background. There we go. 11 minutes. You guys can't see that, but I can see it. So, and a lot of them, again, they want you to succeed. Of course they want you to succeed. Okay. Now what I did, go over here with this again. I was having this as my lead capture page. Okay, but for me to train people in the real world and on the phone and stuff like that, and on video chatting and all, it was getting a little difficult. So I actually took this down. I didn't take it down. I just put it in a subfolder, and then I just used a private label rights video software to very quickly, and again, I made other videos on this, to very quickly and very easily put this up in minutes. I literally put this up in minutes. Okay, now within here, there's two things. I take them right to my own site. Okay, take them right to my own site. All right, and it's the same, pretty much the same thing. Okay. They're going to go right to my lead capture page. Okay. And then right here, formatted a little wrong. This is just a picture. Right here is my affiliate link. And you could do this any way you want as far as these two items on this. Okay. You on like my woodworking site, this is all affiliate sites. Now this is a an AdSense, I'm sorry, this is a an Amazon affiliate link, okay, to Amazon, okay, and that's the greatest thing about these video software from private label rights. It's the awesomest thing, because again, you can make it very quickly. Now, how do you market this? Well, of course, you can market it on social media. And again, what you want to do with your Facebook, if you make your own product, make a separate Facebook page from the beginning, and then do your fan pages, okay, to create your business thing. Because Facebook is just a ridiculous monster, okay. In the beginning of the COVID, I actually got banned off of there for almost 2 years now it was. Now they finally got it back, and now they want to talk to me on the phone, because I was spending a lot of money on Facebook because I clicked one wrong thing about advertising politically. I clicked the wrong button. I was done. I was up to like $300 a month on Facebook. I was getting a pretty good return on it, okay, and I was done after that. They just totally shut me down, even at $300 a month. $300 a month on Facebook, you're like a whale eating a Tic Tac. because there's guys spending thousands and thousands of dollars a month on it, and they're the top dogs. And don't let anybody kid you, okay? But there is a way to do it, without that kind of bank and without that kind of mega advertising like that, for practically free. And I show you how to make these free websites. I show you how to use this. In an instant, you can have a video site, right? Now this you could take and start a Facebook page, start a YouTube channel, and again, I would suggest you start your own YouTube channel, because if any of your products that you're going to promote are going to give you a video, you're going to want to load it up to your YouTube channel and then put it on your landing page or your lead capture page, okay? And with this here, again, you could do a twofold thing. You could have your own product, you could have Amazon affiliate links, and I got Clickbank affiliate links here, okay? Now, back in the day, they used to call that multiple streams of income, alrighty? So, don't get discouraged. Be picky about who you choose and select to sell their product. Okay, because you're doing them the favor. Even though they're paying you, you're doing them the favor as well. Okay, and believe me, they're going to cater to the guys that are making the money. They're going to, you're just going to be a piece of gum on their shoe when you first sign up with them until you make them some money. And they show you how they want to help you now, which is great with these types of sites. Okay, but the problem is a lot of them, especially the bigger guys that have been in the game since, like myself, that have been in the game, and I don't really do that to my affiliates. I just lost that crap. I don't really do that to my affiliates. What they'll do is you got an affiliate sign up section, and that's to show you how they want to help you, and they give you all this information and pictures and videos and everything to do their affiliate marketing with through them. And what happens is you sign up to them, and they're just going to try and upsell you to other products that they either own or that they, that they are affiliate to, and other affiliate programs. Okay, so that's what I like to do with it. It's something you could try, because what you could do is you could have your opt-in page, all right, on a different folder. Okay, and then your main page, do very quickly private label rights, video software going on, and very quickly and easily put this on your main page, and then market it little by little, but leave it up there for a long time, especially like a blog. You want to do a blog, you got to keep adding content. It's all about the original content, and you only need about 500 words per page. And if you do a minimum of like 6 to 10 pages, and then you do some SEO on it and stuff, you'll start ranking eventually. And then you do your own backlinking. You go to make other blogs for free. You write up new articles. You get new information from your affiliate email swipes, from your lead magnet downloads that they give you, and you put them on your websites. Okay, you go to private label rights, you get articles on it. I believe I sent you some links in the emails to my sign-ups already. I'm getting some people signing up, and on the bottom of my emails I put all the free tools. Okay, so don't get discouraged. Make sure you hang in there, and if you want to go to my website, rwcweb.com, and sign up. Yeah, everybody's outside racing today, and I'm inside doing this, right? If you want to sign up, rwcweb.com, get on my email list. I'll send you a lot of great stuff, and I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button on my YouTube. Don't give up. Don't get discouraged, okay? And be careful what you spend your money on. Take care.